Cell, its structure and functions. Topics covered: Introduction, discovery of cell, unicellular and multicellular organisms, cell shape and size, hence egg, parts of cell, difference between plant cell and animal cell. Introduction. As our wall is made up of many bricks, similarly, our body is made up of several cells. Therefore, we regard cell as the basic structural as well as functional unit of all living organisms. Discovery of cell. Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in thin slices of cork obtained from the bark of a tree. It was observed through his self-designed microscope in 1665. Unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular organisms. Organisms made up of a single cell are known as unicellular organisms. Example: Euglena, amoeba, and Paramecium. Multicellular organisms. Organisms made up of many cells are known as multicellular organisms. Example: human, birds, and animals. Cell shape. Cell may be oval, spherical, cuboidal, fiber-like, or polygon. They are different in shapes due to their location and functions in the tissue. Example: a nerve cell has to transmit nerve impulse to different organs located in different parts of body. Hence, they possess a long fiber-like structure. Cell size. Cell vary considerably in size. Smallest cell, PPLO or mycoplasm, 0.1 micron in diameter. Largest cell, ostrich egg, 170 mm in diameter. Cell and its approximate size: amoeba 1000 micron, hen's egg 60 mm, ostrich egg 170 mm, green alga or cara 10 cm, red blood cell 9 micron, liver cell 20 micron, human ovum 0.1 mm, and nerve cell 1 meter. Parts of hen's egg: albumin, shell, yolk, and cell membrane. To observe cells: animal cell, methylene blue, and plant cell, safranine. Parts of cells. A cell consists of a living protoplasm surrounded by a cell membrane. The protoplasm consists of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Cytoplasm contains a number of structures which are called cell organelles, which help a cell to perform its relevant functions. Let's discuss them in details. Cell membrane. A thin membrane that surrounds the protoplasm of every cell is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. It controls the entry and exit of substances as per the requirement of the cell. Cell wall. The cells of plants, fungi, and bacteria have an additional outer covering called cell wall. It provides rigidity and protection to the cell against the variations in the environment. It also gives definite shape, size, and support to the cell. Cytoplasm. Portion of protoplasm lying between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. It acts as a ground substance for all cell activities. It is made up of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin and minerals along with large proportion of water. Nucleus. It controls all the activities of the cell. It is a dense structure bounded by a nucleus membrane. The protoplasm of the nucleus is called nucleoplasm, which has a thread-like network called chromatin. Chromosomes. When the cell is ready to divide, this chromatin condenses to form thicker thread-like structure called chromosome. It is responsible for the inheritance of character. Cell organelles. Plastids. These are large cell organelles found in plant cell. They may contain pigment which help in photosynthesis and are responsible for imparting color to fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Chloroplast. These are green colored plastids. They manufacture food for green plants. Chromoplast. The plastids associated with different colored parts of the plant like fruits, vegetables, etc. They are responsible for imparting color to different parts of the plants. Leucoplast. Plants contain some colorless plastids called leucoplast. These provide space to store starch, protein, oil, etc. Mitochondria. These are rod shaped or spherical structures. They are responsible for cellular respiration and for generation of energy. Hence, they are also called the powerhouse of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. It provides channel for transport of material in a cell. These are of two types. Tough ER. It has a tough appearance as it is studded with ribosomes. It plays a vital role in synthesis of protein. Smooth ER. It has a smooth appearance as it does not have ribosomes attached to it. It helps in the synthesis of fats. Golgi apparatus. They are sac-like structure. They are involved in the processing and packaging of materials produced by the cell. Vacuole. It stores excess of water and waste products. In amoeba, food materials are held in its food vacuole for digestion. Ribosomes. These are tiny granules. They help in protein synthesis. Cilia and flagella. Cells have small extensions on their cell membrane called cilia or flagella. They help in locomotion and collection of food. Unicellular organisms like Paramoecium have numerous cilia, while Euglena has single flagellum. Levels of organism: cell to tissue, organs, organ system, and organism.